Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of different vegetables. So let's see those names. Number 1, coriander leaves. Coriander leaves. That means dhone pata. Coriander leaves means dhone pata. Number 2, mint leaves. Mint leaves. Mint leaves means pudina pata. Mint leaves means pudina pata. Number 3, drumstick. Drumstick. Drumstick means shojne. Drumstick means shojne. Number 4, broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli means broccoli or one kind of cauliflower. That means এক ধরনের ফুলকপি. Broccoli means এক ধরনের ফুলকপি. Number 5, capsicum. Capsicum. Capsicum means Shimla moric. Capsicum means Shimla moric. It is one kind of chili. That means it এক ধরনের মরিচ. Generally it is seen 3 types of capsicum: green, red and yellow. Okay, viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and